Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages. If you have a mustache, this is the kit for you. Death Grip Wax's Platinum Edition kit. This thing is amazing. It comes with not one, not two, not three, but 4 removable tins. That's right, 4 removable tins. And they go in this amazing contraption. It is magnetic, it pops in, has a little hole right here so you can pop them back out. And with it comes a mirror. That is absolutely the coolest thing ever. It can go anywhere and everywhere. And you hear that? That's metal. Also with this kit comes the Death Grip Comb. This is the newest addition to their combs. It's super lightweight and has a perfect little spot for it. Death Grip metal picks, with the sudden death on one side on this one and the bare bones on the other side on that, but both representing the death grip on the opposite side. How cool is that? And it's also a necklace. Wait, there's more. They also have the Death Grip Platinum Edition Night Fury. I will be using this to get this out of my mustache. Black Magic. This is black mustache wax from Death Grip Wax. This is the Death Grip Original. And we have the Death Grip Sudden Death. I went with the Sudden Death today. As you can see, they all come with their own pick. Every single wax. Stuff is absolutely amazing. I'm so excited to be able to share this with everybody.